In this video, I will explain you all the fees we have when leverage trading futures on the platform WEEX. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on WEEX, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description. Then you will get to exactly this page right here and you can get up to $30,000 in bonuses. As you can see, this is an exclusive offer to use. Some of the bonuses you can get directly after the sign-up, then after you've transferred some money to your futures account. And then here, these big bonuses are claimable after you reach certain trading volume milestones. To create your account, simply enter your email address right here and then click on sign up and receive a new user gift. After that, you simply need to set a password and you already created your account. So first I'm going to talk about the order fees that always occur when opening and closing a position. You can check your current fee rates by simply going here to your asset overview under your futures account. You will see these fee rates in here. So you can see we have a maker fee of 0.02% and the maker fee always applies when you're using a limit order. And same goes for the so-called taker fee. The taker fee always occurs when you're using a market order and is higher and sits at 0.08%. These fee rates are always calculated on the position size and occur when opening and closing a position. Here you can see a comparison of the fee rates from WEEX to other exchanges. And as you can see, the maker fee of WEEX is pretty much the average. So pretty comparable to most other exchanges with 0.02%. But the taker fee is definitely the highest in this list right here with 0.08%. Most of the other exchanges are actually lower than that. However, WEEX offers different VIP levels, so depending on how much you trade over time or how much WXT tokens you hold, you only need to fulfill one of those requirements to reach those certain levels, and then you can easily decrease your fees from these standard fee rates down to much lower rates and therefore reach much better fee rates for your trading. To give you an example calculation, if you open a $1,000 position size, you would pay 20 cents of a fee when you're using a limit order in here, and you would pay 80 cents if you're using a market order. As you know, the more you trade or if you hold some of the token, you can decrease your fees much lower. And also in general, I can tell you that these fee rates for the futures trading in general are much lower than normal fee rates that you're used to when you're trading on the spot market. So if you think about how much percent the Bitcoin price goes up or down within just one day, those 0.02 or 0.08% shouldn't make up too much, especially compared to the actual profits or losses you would make with the trades. The second and last fee that we have on the platform is the so-called funding fee. You can see it up here. It consists of a funding rate and a countdown. First of all, the fee only applies to you if you have a position open exactly in the second where this timer right here reaches 0, and it will be reset every 8 hours. And then how much you would have to pay depends on the current funding rate, which can change depending on the market conditions. First of all, the rate can change, but also if it is positive or negative, because this is actually not a fee rate that is paid to the platform, but instead it's just a shift between long and short positions depending on the current market conditions. So if it is a positive rate, as it currently is, you would need to pay it as a long position and you would get it credited as a short position. Vice versa, if this is a negative value in here, then you would need to pay it as a short position and you would get it funded as a long position. Also, the rates in here are extremely low. As you can see, currently 0.007%, and they are automatically deducted or credited to your opened trade. Don't forget to pick up the best sign-up bonus possible with up to $30,000 in rewards by using the first link down in the video description. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.